Discussions are underway in South Korea on the possible lifting of the mandatory self-quarantine for those infected with COVID-19. The decision is expected as early as this Thursday. Yoo-jin has the prospects.
Following the World Health Organization's declaration that COVID-19 is no longer a global health emergency, health authorities in South Korea are discussing further relaxing the country's virus rules. The remaining mandates are the 7-day quarantine for those who test positive for the virus and mask wearing at high-risk facilities like hospitals and pharmacies. The Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency said back in March that the scrapping of virus protocols would happen in 3 stages. 1, lowering COVID-19's national crisis level from the highest serious to the second highest alert. Under this measure, the self-isolation period will be shortened from 7 to 5 days, and inbound travelers to South Korea will no longer be advised to take a PCR test within 3 days of arrival. 2, downgrading COVID-19 to a level 4 infectious disease, the lowest in the country's 4-tier system, from level 2. With this, mask wearing will no longer be a requirement regardless of location, while self-isolation will also no longer be required, with both just advised. 3, treating COVID-19 as an endemic disease. Mask wearing and quarantine are not even advised. As of now, the implementation of Stage 1 is highly likely. The KDCA has been repeatedly saying Stage 1 would be implemented once the WHO declares an end to COVID-19's status as a public health emergency of international concern. But another possible scenario is jumping straight to Stage 2. South Korea's National Advisory Committee on Infectious Diseases held a meeting on Monday to discuss the easing of COVID-19 protocols. At the meeting, most experts agreed on integrating steps 1 and 2, scrapping mandatory quarantine, considering the stable virus situation both at home and abroad. And the KDCA will hold an emergency assessment meeting on Tuesday afternoon with the same agenda. Based on the outcomes of the 2 meetings, the Central Disaster and Safety Countermeasures Headquarters will make the final call. The decision will be made either this week or next, as Prime Minister Han Duck-soo, who convenes the meetings of the body, won't return from a trip to Europe until this Thursday. Yoo-jin, Arirang News.